What is a crash course? A brief, intensive course of instruction as to prepare quickly for a test. What does DP Academy crash course covers? It covers high yielding point of all 19 dental and medical subjects. This course is basically an online video lecture course which you can watch anytime, anywhere. You just need to have a proper internet connection. You can also read notes online within the app. Why do I need this course? Because smart work is better than hard work. There is a lot to study. When you start a subject, you don't know what to study and what not to. This crash course covers only the important high-yielding points that are required for your competitive exam. It not only covers the important topics for Neet and inicet, but for the government job PSC exams. In fact, you can't even revise a subject in a day. But with this crash course, you can easily finish one subject in a day. This course is best designed for the last-minute hassle before exams. Is this a live lecture course? No, actually it's a recorded lecture course. And you can watch online lectures anytime, day or night, so that you don't have to miss any class. In fact, you can watch a lecture n number of times, even if you don't understand anything at once. What's the cost of this course? Well, it depends on the time duration of the course. We offer crash course for 1, 3, 5 and 8 months. All the crash courses are with different timelines. There are some extra video lectures provided in 5 and 8 month course. You can check it online on the DP Academy app. So it's now or never. And remember, smart work is better than hard work. So get ready for your competitive exam and download DP Academy app.